1, 2, here I go. Running, 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 running. Did you get that? Oh, hello, children. Greetings, my name is Grams. You might have heard of me the other day. I helped you and your friend Ellie across to my castle. Well, now I'm going to need your help again. There is an evil Cookie Mobster who is taking over all the planets in the Milky Way. I'm going to need your help if we're going to stop him. He keeps stealing all of the food from the food planets. Luckily, I have just the thing that might stop him. So let me go through my recipe box really quick. Aha, there it is. So I have here the top secret project. It's the blueprints for the Cookie Craft. The Cookie Craft is just the thing we need to defeat the Cookie Mobster. So, for this mission, you must go to a planet far away called Mars-Mellow. On this planet, you will gather 3 ingredients for me. Those 3 ingredients are going to be what we're going to need to help with the Cookie Craft. But don't worry, I'm going to be here from my castle, giving you directions and helping you out the entire time, okay? So, in order for me to give you special commands on how to get across the dangerous terrain of Mars-Mellow, I will be using certain symbols. Certain symbols you might already know. So we're just going to review those, and then I'm going to give you one more tool just in case you need it. So the first thing that you're going to need is to remember how to use the walk. Do you know how to walk? According to my friend Ellie, you guys know how to walk very well. So I will use this symbol in order to tell you that you need to walk. Okay, so let's hear what that sounds like. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Got it? Good. The next symbol I might use to help you get across the terrain is you might have to take a big step. Let's hear what that sounds like. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Got it? I knew you would. You're a very smart cookie. The last one is the jump and hold it. Very useful, I might add. Okay, 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. So since this is a very dangerous mission, I'm going to use one more symbol just in case we need to get away. And that is running. Okay, so we're going to use the 8th note. And I'm going to use that symbol to let you know that we need to start running, just in case there's danger across the way. So I'm going to demonstrate what that sounds like. It's a little bit faster than walking, okay? 1, 2, here I go. Running, 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 running. Let's do that one more time, just so that we know what it sounds like. 1, 2, here we go. Running, 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 running. Good job. Okay, hopefully we won't have to use that one, but just in case. So, let's get ready for our mission. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, so to prepare for our mission, we're going to need a few materials, okay? The first material you need is a handy dandy pencil or pen or any other writing material. The second thing you need is a piece of paper so that you can draw your map and all of the instructions that I give you. It is very important that you listen very carefully, okay? So, first, you need a piece of pencil, piece of paper, and last but not least, an instrument to play my commands on. So you can use a piano or you can use the virtual piano that I have linked down below. But it's very important because I'm going to need to hear you. Okay, so make sure you find something that can make a sound. So, if you need to pause this video to go get those items, I would do that now. Oh good, you're back. So, now I have written out a map of the 3 places that we need to go on Mars-Mellow. On this map, you will see there is a volcano. At this volcano, you will need to get some flour. That's where all the flour is stored on Mars-Mellow. Then, after you get the flour, you're going to need to go to the sugarcane forest, okay? And there you can collect all the sugar that we're going to need for this cookie craft. After you've collected the flour, the sugar, we're then going to go to the salt mines and gather the salt we need for our cookie craft. So go ahead and use that piece of paper and that pen that you have and go ahead and make your own map at home. Please pause this video to do just that. So remember to include a volcano, the forest, the sugarcane forest, and the salt mines. It's okay if your map isn't as accurate as mine. Good, you're back. So now, what we're going to do is get your pen or pencil and we're going to get dropped off on planet Mars-Mellow. We are totally ready now. Okay, Space Cadet, you've just been dropped off on planet Mars-Mellow and you're right by the volcano. The thing is, you have to go up the volcano. So I'm going to have you listen very carefully to see what you're going to need to get up the volcano. Do you have your listening ears on? It's very important. Okay? Very important. Okay, get that pencil out because you're going to need to write it down on your own map at home. 1, 2, here I go. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Did you make it up the volcano? Does yours look like mine? Did you get 4 jumps? Very good. Okay, I need to hear it back from you, okay? Or else I know that you didn't make it up the volcano, okay? So I'm going to repeat it again and you're going to have to say it along with me so that I know you heard my command. Are you ready? 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Okay, thank you for confirming my command that you made it up the volcano. Wait, hold on, I hear something. Oh my gosh, it looks like the volcano is about to erupt. You're going to need to run. Let me just write the command on my command board so that I can get you out to safety. So you're going to need 4 runs to get there. So I'm going to show you what that looks like on my board so that you can do it at home. We're going to do 1. That's 1 set of running. 2. 3. Then 4. Okay. 4 sets of running to escape the exploding volcano. Are you ready? We're going to do it. I'm going to first say the command, and then you're going to repeat it back to me. 1, 2, here I go. Running, 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 running. Did you get that? Okay, so now we're going to do it together so that I know that you heard my command and made it to safety. 1, 2, here I go. Running, 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 running. Oh, we made it. You made it. Okay, it looks like we're approaching the sugarcane forest. So, for the sugarcane forest, I'm going to need you to walk through the forest. It's kind of a long trek. We're going to walk all the way through the forest, taking big steps, because I heard from a secret source that the Cookie Mobster has left traps all over the forest. So we're going to be taking big steps. So listen up to how many big steps you're going to take, okay? Are you ready? Get your listening ears out. Get your pen out so that you can write down how many big steps you're going to need to make it through the forest. 1, 2, here we go. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. Do I need to play that one more time? Okay, I'll do it one more time. This time I'm going to count on my hands. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. If you heard 6 big steps, you're correct. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I need to know that you made it out of the forest. So please play your big steps for me. And I'm going to play it on my end so that way I know that you made it out of the forest. 1, 2, here we go. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. Good. No traps were set off. The Cookie Mobster can't get you. So now we're about to enter the dark caves of the salt mines. So we're just going to simply walk into the mines, okay? But I'm not exactly sure what's in there, so we're going to walk a little slow, okay? So listen to how many walks you're going to need to make it through the cave. Are you ready? You have your listening ears on? Okay, good. 1, 2, here I go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, I'm going to play that one more time. 1, 2, here I go. Walk, 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 walk. Does your board look like mine? Does it have 4 walks on it? Amazing. Okay, so we're going to do that together so that I know that you're in the cave and walking very slowly. 1, 2, I'm going to do that over again. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. I messed that up. I'm going to do it one more time. Ready, go. Walk, 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 walk. Hold on. I hear something. Hold on. Wait, I'm going to zoom in on the spy cam that I have inside the cave.
Me? What are you doing with all those ingredients? Give them back! Give them back!
It seems to be one of the minions and they're coming straight towards you. You're going to have to start running. I've already entered the command. You're going to have to do 4 runnings together, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, here we go. Running, 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 running. I'm going to play that on my piano over here so that you can hear. Ready, go. Running, 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 running. Looks like you escaped. Now get your tushy back here and bring me those ingredients so we can start building our cookie craft. Greetings, Space Cadet. I'm glad that you made it back safe and sound. I have one more task before we depart each other. So I'm going to need you to go on your notation story from the beginning to the very end. That way, in case another cadet has to go on your mission, they know exactly what they're in for. Okay? So, we're going to start all the way from the volcano. Then we're going to run. Then we're going to take big steps through the forest, walk through the cave, then run to the saucer. Okay? So we're going to do that all together. Are you guys ready? Good. Go ahead and grab your piano. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Running, 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 running. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. Walk, 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 walk. Running, 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 running. Thank you for doing that one final task for me. Until next time, I'm going to need you to practice. Make up your own story at home. Go on as many adventures as possible and add running into your adventure just so that your skills can stay sharp and you'll be ready for the next adventure. Until next time, Space Commander Grams is out.